Alright, listen up, losers. I don't want any crying, complaining, groaning, moaning, or any crying, or any... We're playing Dodgeball, bitches. Yes! We're playing Dodgeball! A man, not a Ken. Let's pump up, everyone. We'll split into 2 teams of 2. Dumbasses versus smart kids. Coach? Yeah. I don't think you've ever seen the rules of this game before. Yeah, I've got a question for you. You fat fucking pig. How is you so incompetent? Oh, leave fucking shit. Oh, behind me. That fucking fat ass. Ah! Fuck, why'd you hit me like that? Ah! What is everyone trying to hit me for? Because you're a fucking fat ass and needs to fucking exercise. Just look what the autistic fish is doing. Bro thinks he's not slick. What are you doing? I'm blending in. You're not blending in. Ah, fuck. Just try and do what he's doing. Bro is not even dodging. No! Ah! Kill me. And you, where the fuck have you been? Doesn't seem like that's any of your problem. I was out in my usual routine. What do you mean? Come on, hit over me. You see, I was out after the school and I was just destroying. Oh god! Oh my god! You can't beat me now. Who's the short ass now? Shut up! You're 3'8".